In this video I'm going to tell you why it's a good idea, if you've got an Amiga 1200 with a hard drive, to buy a registered copy of whdload in 2012. So this is my Amiga. Now what it is, this is my desktop. As you can see, I've got 5 folders here, right here. That's to do with internet, but we're not going to look at that at the moment. As you can see, if you look at the top of my screen, I've got 8 megabytes approximately of a memory, extended memory, and 1 megabyte of normal memory. You could class that as on the PC, you've got conventional memory against extended memory. Same sort of thing really. Now, you will notice this is just a standard Amiga 1200, but it has got an accelerated board in it with that additional 8 megabytes of memory, like I said. So this is why it's useful if you like your retro games, because now obviously the majority of us know the Amiga of putting a floppy disk in and playing a game, but this is what I've got on mine. Rather quite cool, really, wouldn't you agree, all you Amiga fans? I've got to wait for the Amiga to wake up, so don't forget it's only 68020 processor. You see, it's flickering like mad, the old hard drive. So we just wait for it to wake up a bit. Now, as you can see, with the help of the incredible whdload application, I have got all these games on my Amiga. I can use a normal cleanup just in case they're a bit neat, funny. Now, as you can see, look, and this is all real games. I'll give you an example. Let's start one. I will start let's see what we'll start. I'll start Lotus 2. I've been meaning to get Lotus 3 on here, but I haven't this so far. Clean that up a bit. For some reason on a lot of these they come up with a tiny icon. So I click it and you're just going to load it. We'll come up with that. It's just demonstrating. See? And there you go. Easy as that. Prove it works. And the loading time is much faster because it's from the hard drive rather than the floppy drive. That's why it's cool to have an Amiga 1200 in 2012. Now, if you press a certain key combination, you can exit the game and go back to it then. So I forget, so I'm just going to do the old Control A and A. Let's load her up again. This is a quick workbench for a launch on my Amiga 1200. It's just bog standard Amiga 1200 with an accelerator board in the bottom. Yeah, I've got to clean it up a bit. But yes, let's have another look. Wait for it to come up again. If you can hear that, that's the hard drive accessing. You might not be able to hear that. So, turn it off a bit. Right, out of order. Any of these, the majority, if not all of these games work. That's quite cool. Let's show you the Lion King, because I know I've got that on there. I think I've got that on there. This is one of the AGA games, which is more important for the Amiga. If you do it by icon, it'd be more simple. As you can see. The Amiga version of the Lion King.
Yes. Oh.
Unbelievably, the Amiga version was supplied on 4 floppy disks originally, but it does support the full parallax scrolling of systems such as the Super Nintendo and Mega Drive, which was quite unique for an Amiga game. It's probably because due to the AGA chipset of the Amiga 1200. There was a fault to the Amiga version of this game now, because it was aimed at a market where there was no hard drives in the machines. A few levels was missed, unfortunately, and one of the most important levels of the game was missed, which was the second level where you are being thrown about by monkeys. I can't wait to be king level. That was actually missed out of the Amiga version, which is such a shocking shame, because this game is really good on the Amiga 1200, and it's just a shame. But yeah, this is Lion King, and this proves out why it's quite cool to have an Amiga in 2012. This is Paul, the best for UK, and I'm signing off.